Every pain has a story, but few are truly understood. I'm Dr. Kakkars, and at Dr. Kakkars Clinic, we believe healing is not the absence of pain. It's about restoring balance, movement, and trust within your own body. My journey started as an injured athlete, seeking relief, not just recovery. That experience became my mission. For over 20 years, I have studied physiotherapy, osteopathy, structural integration, aquatic therapy, biomechanics, and holistic movement sciences, uniting them under one vision: healing beyond pain. Every patient's journey begins long before they step into the clinic. From the very first phone call, we start listening, understanding the challenges you face, and scheduling time suited to your unique needs. Our consultations often last between an hour and a few hours because every story deserves depth. We trace your journey from birth to now, including your injuries, environment, posture, emotions, and habits. We then design a personalized roadmap for holistic wellness, setting achievable, time-bound goals that match your lifestyle. In assessment, we blend clinical precision with human insight. We utilize advanced devices like Dynamo, Biwald, detailed questionnaires, and body reading methods to identify what's effective in your system and where change can lead to freedom. Once the cause is clear, we select the most suitable therapy, one that provides maximum results in minimum sessions. That's the essence of our clinical approach. Our treatments are integrative and evidence-based. From structural integration that aligns your body with gravity, osteopathy that releases internal restrictions, fascial and scar rehabilitation that restores tissue function, and advanced physiotherapy driven by research-backed accuracy and cognitive computing that accelerates recovery. In water, through I Chi, Watsu, and aquatic movement, we relieve joint stresses and encourage smooth movement. Each plan is personalized and evolves from guided therapy to self-care, empowering you to maintain your progress. Whether we are helping a senior regain independence, an athlete improve performance, or someone overcome chronic unexplained pain, our assessments analyze deeply. Panav's football performance stagnated, and he needed to reconnect with himself to unleash his full endurance. He is currently at his most agile. Rashmi came to us with chronic pains that prevented her from enjoying life. Today, she finds joy in everything she does. Shashi lived with chronic back pain for years, which limited his fitness. Today, he lives without restrictions. He moves freely. Smita, who suffered a paraplegic stroke after spinal surgery, regained strength, confidence, and ease through dedicated care and diligent hard work. Although Tahura faces developmental challenges, with our integrated approach and collaboration with other field experts, Tahura is progressing steadily. Each success reminds us when the body is heard, it heals. At Dr. Kakkars, healing is not a protocol, it's a partnership. We combine science, sensitivity, and structure to help you restore, realign, and reclaim your movement. If your body is speaking, we invite you to listen with us.
He is actually a magician who has a lot of tricks up his sleeves.
Firstly, there's no pain anymore.
जिसका बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट मिला है, तहुरा ग्रोथ हो रही है.
काफ़ी फरक है उनसे मेरे को.
माझ्या आयुष्यातले म्हणजे 90% प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व झालेत.
He has been an amazing doctor.
I was becoming a different person. I started running back. I started cycling back.
I see my body posture and facial structure was really good.
It helped me to understand my body, helped me to grow in aspect of speed, agility.
If there's anything that you think that it's the end of the road, this is where you begin your life again.
Book your consultation today. Dr. Kakkars, liberating you.